This is the home screen, or should I say, once you open the application, you pretty much will see this here. So it's a filter-based application. Here you can use various filters for videos and photos. So once you do setup or go through the setup process, just tap on the next option here. We'll just show you all the features or everything that this application you can do. You can tap on the next option and you pretty much see all the cool editing features that this application here offers. Not just for videos, as well as photos. Tap on the next again. As you can see here, this is pretty much their subscription page. So you can pretty much see what you pretty much will be getting with your subscription, and as well the prices. And they do offer free trials, unlike some applications which doesn't give you a free trial. You can test out the application with this free trials option. You have a 7-day if you're getting the 12-month subscription, and you have a 3 days free trial if you're getting a 1-month subscription. So you can test out the application and see if it's worth it. But I'm telling you, it's a very, very good application. So just let me know in the comment section with what's your thoughts on this application here. So once you have tapped on the allow option, you will have access to your storage, so you can pretty much load up the photos, images, and pretty much everything as it relates to that. But I'm going to select this photo here, for example. Here I'll be able to edit this photo here and pretty much select the effects that I want. As you can see here, there's quite a lot of effects which you can choose from. You have the portrait option, and if I do tap on the portrait option here, as you can see, some of them may require you to get the subscription, so do keep that in mind. So if they do have the crown icon here, you're going to need the subscription to use those features. So as you can see, I'm going to scroll across again. As you can see, I have quite a lot of features, and I can adjust these filters features even more if you would like. But as you can see here, so very, very good application, and that's really pretty much it. And if you do want to revert it back to the original state, you can just tap on the X option, then tap on reset to original. We'll just close the application, close the screen, and pretty much can go ahead and select back the image. And down here, we'll just show you all the folders available as it relates to your images, videos, and pretty much everything that you have on a device. So that's really pretty much it for the application. And if you're gonna get the Pro subscription, all you have to do is tap on the Pro option at the top here, and you'll be able to go ahead and test out your subscription by getting the free trial as well. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Very simple to use. And if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.